Okay, in this video, what we are going to see is we are going to create one VPC and then one subnet and one route table and one internet gateway. And finally, we'll create one EC2 instance and we'll verify that whether the EC2 is able to connect with the internet or not. Okay, so let's go into that. So first I'll start with the create VPC. So this is my, I'll give the demo, my demo VPC 10.200.0.0/16. So this is the one. So VPC is created. So next thing is once VPC is created, we have to go for internet gateway. So this is my demo IGW. So I've created the internet gateway. So once internet gateway is created, it will be in a detached mode. So we have to attach it to the VPC. So attached to VPC, it will list down the list of VPCs. So I have selected my VPC which I have created. Okay, so 2 steps are done. So now next thing is subnets. So subnets, I'm going to create a subnet for the VPC which we created. Okay, so this is public face subnet. So I'm not choosing any preferences for the availability zone. So CID out block is 10.200.1.0/24. It's created, which is successfully created. Now I'm going to create the route table. So route table I'm going to create. So my public route table. Okay, so this is the one I'm going to create for which VPC is my demo VPC. Okay, route table is created. So once route table is created, so only local connections, as the target is local connections only allowed. So now we need to connect the EC2 instance from internet. So what we are going to do is from anywhere. So here internet gateway I'm going to choose. So it will choose that what is the internet gateway which we have created. So save changes. So it is done. So now all the steps are done. So now I'm going to create a EC2 instance. So EC2 instance. So launch instance I'm going to create. VPC EC2. And then Linux machine I'm choosing, and then free tail Linux 2. So instance type is as usual free tail eligible. Keypad I'm using VPC public key. And then here the network settings, when it comes to network settings, I'm going to choose the VPN which I have selected. And the subnet, since we do have only one subnet. So since we do have only one subnet, which is already selected, so auto assign public IP, since we are going to connect through internet, so I'm enabling it. So security group, it is fine. So we are going to create connect through SSH. So it's fine. So okay, configure storage 8 GB, it's fine. So all good. So I'm going to create instance. So it's launched. So it will take a few seconds. So see here, we'll get that instance status running and status check is paused. It should come. So I'll stop this video for a few seconds till it is getting running status. So now the instance is running and status check is paused. Okay, so let us go into that and we'll connect this instance. Okay, so we'll copy this address. So we'll connect through putty. So I'm just saving this. And then I have already added the private key. So let me open this. So let us check the route table. Is there anything missing? See. So, okay, this VPC is available and the internet gateway is attached. Submits. Okay, so okay, what could be this? Okay, so once this subnet is created, so when you go for route table, right? So when you go to route table, you have to associate it. Okay, so see, this is, see, we have added here the routes, but subnet association we have to do. So here, edit subnet association. So you just select this, just associate this one, save association. Okay, see, now try, put the, and then we already saved this your IP address. Okay, now see, it is asking now. Okay, so how to get the username easy? So this username where exactly you need to go is go to EC2. To go here instance. So if you click connect, then you can see this username. Okay. Okay, so this is done. So now what I'm going to check is internet. So let us go to the root directory. So now let us go for ping. Just a minute. So if you wanted to see that, curl there are a few other ways out there also. Okay. HTTPS www.google.com HTTP 200 response. Okay. Okay, so internet is working fine. So you can see here domain google.com everything. So we are able to connect the internet in the EC2 instance. Okay, so so what else next thing we can see that we will create a private subnet and we will see that how it works, whether the internet connectivity is there or not. Okay, so let me create again one more. I'm going to PC. For the same VPC, I'm going to create one more. Create subnet 24. My demo VPC. So here, let me create that private subnet. So here, I'm going to give the 10.200. Earlier one created, so 2.0/24. So which is I have created. So I'm going to create one more route table which doesn't have internet connectivity. private route, which VPC is my demo VPC, and then create route table. So as you know that by default, this will be local. Okay, so only we are going to associate subnet. So edit subnet, so it will display both. So I'm going to choose private subnet. Save association. Okay, so now I'm going to create a EC2. One more instances which I'm going to create. Launch instances, private EC2. So all good. So nothing big. So only thing is VPC public key. Okay, all good. So let us confirm again. Okay, it's all good. So launch instances. Okay, so view all instances. So now private EC2 is currently it is instance status. We'll wait for until it's getting running. Okay. Okay, so now the private EC2 is also back. So now we'll connect to it. Okay, so put T. So get the IP address of this one. Private EC2 instance. Okay, let us go into that. So old machine is this one, 170. This is so. Okay, I'm going to save this. As told earlier, key is already been added. Okay, so this has been added. EC2. Okay, so now ping google.com. Okay, so this is fine as long as there is a public IP is attached. But see, this is what is the thing is we can edit. Okay, so here public IP address is enabled. So now we are going to disable this one. So mention state, I'm going to terminate. Just a minute. So I'm going to create one more instance. Private EC2 instance. Okay. What I'm going to do is edit. I'm not sure if the last time I have modified this VPC or not. Okay, because I didn't remember that subnet is chosen or not. Okay. Okay, so subnet here, see private subnet and public subnet is there. So I'm going to choose private subnet. So see, when private subnet is chosen or auto assign public IP, address is disabled. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch instance. Select keypad. So I'm using VPC public key. Launch instance. Okay, so apologies that the last instances was not created properly. It was created on default VPC. So now I will change correctly. So it will take a minute. So I'll stop this recording for a few seconds. This private instances which we created just now, its state is running and we got the status check. See now we can see that. See this is a private subnet which is created. So since we have disabled that IP for public IP, so no public IP is getting generated. So here we can see only private IP. So okay, so private IP we can choose it. See, you cannot connect it through internet. Right? So through internet we are trying to connect it, but it's not working. Okay, so we'll see that next how to connect this in EC2 instances when it is private. Okay, so that's the end of this session. We'll see the next one.